In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore the list view in Airtable. We'll walk through creating a clean, scannable list interface that pulls straight from your data so you can browse records quickly and share them confidently with teammates. Start by heading to airtable.com in your browser. If you're prompted, log in so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, open the base that holds the data you want to display. You might think of it as your app. In Airtable, this is where your tables, fields, and records already live. Inside the base, look for the Interfaces option. This is Airtable's area for building polished, guided views of your data without changing the underlying tables. Go ahead and open Interfaces, then choose New Interface. This begins a guided setup that helps you get from raw data to a usable, shareable layout. Give your interface a clear, descriptive name. Aim for something that tells viewers what they're looking at, like Projects List or Leads Overview. Good naming pays off when you have multiple interfaces later. Next, choose an icon. While it's optional, a recognizable icon helps teammates spot the right interface at a glance, especially in workspaces with lots of assets. Click Next to move into Layout selection. Choose the List option. List is ideal when you want a digestible stack of items, each with a few key fields visible. It's great for overviews, quick status checks, or navigating large data sets without the clutter of a full grid. Click Next again to connect your interface to the data. Pick the table that should power this list. Choose the one whose records you want to browse, things like tasks, assets, requests, or contacts. Airtable will use that table's primary field as the main label in the list, and you can fine-tune which supporting fields appear later in the design. When you're satisfied, click Finish. You'll land in the interface with your initial list in place. Take a moment to scan it and confirm the records look as expected. Clear labels, meaningful primary fields, and concise supporting fields will make the list easy to read. Finally, click Publish. Publishing locks in your interface so others with access can use it. If you need to adjust labels, visible fields, or styling, you can always return and republish with updates. That's it. Your list interface is ready to explore and share.